Most people get cashback cards wrong. They focus only on rates, but the PNC Cash Rewards Visa has some hidden features worth knowing before applying. This card offers 4% cash back on gas purchases, 3% on dining, and 2% on groceries, with a flat 1% on all other purchases. Most people get this wrong by thinking 1% is sweet, but when combined with rotating categories, this card can offer competitive rewards for everyday spending. The card has no annual fee, which is a big plus. There's also a welcome bonus if you spend a certain amount in the first 3 months, which can help offset your initial expenses. PNC also provides free credit monitoring and access to virtual card numbers for safer online shopping. However, the app ranges from around 17.24% to 25.24%, so carrying a balance isn't ideal. Most people get this wrong by assuming cashback cards are always worth it even with high interest. That it's best to pay off your balance in full each month to maximize rewards. In conclusion, the PNC Cash Rewards Visa is a solid choice for everyday spenders who want simple, high-value cash back without an annual fee. Keep an eye on bonus categories and pay your balance monthly to get the most out of this card. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews so you can make smarter financial decisions.